Yo, Wrench.
Yo, M.
Damn, man, I hope you kept the receipts.
Hey, yo. Check out this fuck stick.
So tell us about Home 2.0.
Home systems are completely bulletproof. Your privacy is absolutely secure.
Bold claim, Steven. Aren't you worried hacker groups will see that as a challenge?
Well, say what you mean, Shirley. Dead sec. Now, if they want to go up against us, I invite them to try. Home 2.0 is an OS with teeth.
Yo, he called us out by name?
Yep.
He don't know who he fucking with. It's on now.
And that's why I've been trying to crack 2.0. There's just one teeny little problem.
What?
Here, hold this. Stand back. Right. Chip! It's a little hard to get out. Look, there's no point in trying to use the previous version's hardware to jack the new OS. Why? Because they changed the ports. Following the capital sky to forced obsolescence. But luckily, a little birdie told me that 2.0 should be packing a farm-fresh 0-day.
Ooh, now that might just be a shame.
Damn right. And that is why you, my friend, are going to hijack me a 2.0 pre-order shipment before some do-gooder white hat tells Home how to cock-block us.
You've got a weird relationship with technology. You know that, right?
He didn't mean it. Trash! 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 Ooh, wait a minute!
Hey, tell me I got something good.
Nope! Trash! Trash! Oh, ho, ho. Well, you got the goods. Is it actually good? It might be evil. I don't know. This is Home we're talking about. All right, well, I will get this little fucker prepped while you go get us some caffeine.
Wait, you want me to get you two coffee?
No, he's a robot. I want you to get us caffeine. You'll take a decaf. Sweet.
Yes, sir.
Did the best I could, man.
Okay, you did a good job.
I'm
We'll
not
figure it
saying
out.
you're blaming me. I'm just saying that's the right component.
Hey,
No, that's what I want. You're asking me to reprogram it from the beginning.
Stop. Got you something.
Oh, nice! Finally got it. Good job.
Hey, no more bulls. These are like liquid cocaine. You think that's a good idea for Josh? Nope. Never happened.
Here we go. Yeah!
I just want to say to everybody here to motherfucking dead set that we are the baddest motherfucking hacking, coding, stealing. Well, we
Bring it in,
don't tell the
brother.
cops I said that shit. But cheers to us, dead sec.
Ready to rock it?
Yes, sir. By the way, nice paint job on the little guy.